Good enough.
Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going.
Wait, you took off the front lip? Or it took itself off? Gotcha.
Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going.
You think you got what it takes to put the car in there, man?
I don't know, man.
Ah, give it a shot.
It's been years since I drove it, man.
Give it a shot, man. Jump in the car, man. This is the last drive of the E90.
Have some more faith in me.
It's not like you gotta yank it, bro, like to reverse. Not like, you see it?
Oh.
Yeah. Now go up more. Yeah, now it's in reverse. Now let off the clutch and just back it up. You left the clutch completely. You good? Yeah. What's going on, guys? Today's video, we're gonna try to revamp the headlights of the BMW, the E90, with some cheapo turtle wax. I paid 11 bucks for this, man. 11 bucks. Now I do have a couple extra things too, like some sandpaper. I watch a lot of videos on YouTube. Nah, I watch like one.
So you're more prepared than I am.
Probably, but not so much. I mean, I don't know. I've tried these before. I'm pretty sure you tried them before too. They don't really work. Oh, I've never seen them work.
Turtle wax?
Not necessarily turtle wax, but like the headlight restore or restoring headlights.
Yeah, let's go first.
And I think the reason why it never worked for us is because we never used the sandpaper method. We just used everything that came in the kit. So I picked up a couple extra things. I'll show you guys. We also got 600 grit, which is a little bit more abrasive. You're gonna scuff up the headlight a little bit. This is to smooth out the scuffs, and then the compound and polish is to like make it clear again. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted this since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my screw.
It's pretty dry. Smoothing things up with the 2000. Lube it up. Now this is basically gonna clear up all of this deep scratches and make them fine scratches. Oh, sorry.
All I might been think it did. So mama found she to them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam. See you when I.
Whew, so guys, little update. It's still hazy, not exactly polished at all yet. So we gotta fix that, but you can already see the huge difference.
I'm surrounded by my feelings. I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish with 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror. I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can. I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. I'm sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no.
All right, so here we go, man. What do you think? I want to close it to see, you know. Let me remove the tape because we ain't gonna be needing the tape for this. I don't even think we have enough tape for the other side, do we? Bro, it like ripped off the plastic. Oh no. It looks a lot better, yo. Wow, look at the difference.
Yeah, man.
Now, for the sake of my camera lenses and the camera batteries and the mic batteries, I ain't charged anything. So we took care of this side. we're just gonna get back to you guys when the other side is done. I'll, sit down and talk to you guys exactly what I use, where you guys can find it. Of course, I'm gonna have the links below and my recommendations on should you do this or not. Last two things we need: base coat, then sealing wipe. I'm gonna throw it on. Only reason I'm really throwing it on is to see how it would look. This thing's tacky. Yo, why does my life suck that bad? This does take some haze out of it too. And this is once this dries, which I'm pretty sure it dries with like a tack to it. Oh, yo, that made him look brand spanking new. You see that?
Yep. Did you get a before and after shot?
Yeah, oh, camera.
No, yeah, you're right.
I said I'm not running the mic for this right now. What do you think, man?
Beautiful, man. Is it lens on? Oh, okay. Huh?
Are both lenses in the shot?
Yep. Keep going back. You want me to censor it? No.
The trunk was open.
Yep. Yo, you can actually see your HIDs now.
Huh?
Look, come. One is brighter than the other.
Yeah, I have a thing for that.
Oh.
This side, the passenger side is older, now it's newer.
Oh, okay. What the fuck? That's insane.
I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. Yeah, young nigga used to think this was everything I need, right? Not so fond of change, I'm too caught up in my way of thinking. I get by on me.
Yeah, no, you're fine. You're fine.
So, guys, I look like
I could see your upper part, like your left side is out the frame. There you go. That's fine.
So
Oh my gosh, man. I can turn it if you want me to.
Yeah, turn it a little bit. Not the whole thing. Yeah. Good? You good? Am I good now? You're right. What's going on over there, bro?
You're good.
You good? You
Yeah.
see my face?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, cool. So guys, we reached the end of this video. $11 kit with two sandpaper thingies for the win on a car. Don't be a little discouraged in the beginning, because sandpaper will make it look a little bit more hazy. What you gotta do is get all the yellow off of the sandpaper, like smooth finish it with 2000 grit. Then the rest you use the kit, and the little finalizing wipes really do make a difference. Make my headlights look brand new but cheap. Now you can find depot headlights for these cars at F or the E90 for fairly cheap online, maybe 300 and change. However, those are for the halogen cars. This is the HID setup with the visor, non-turning lights, adjustable, adaptive, which could be a little more expensive because they don't make aftermarket versions for it. I feel very uncomfortable leaning over. They don't make aftermarket versions for it, so you can pick up a used set for about $475 online, which they might come a little bit hazy from the jump. And a new set, I'm pretty sure, is pretty expensive. I'll put the price or whatever down below. This is 20-something bucks, a little bit of elbow grease, and they came out perfectly good. Can't wait to throw the new bumper on. I got a little gift for you guys. Is it dying? The whole front end's gonna get revamped. The headlights were the first thing because of the visibility. I can show you guys an old clip of visibility right here. These are my high beams. Nothing. Off, on, off, on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, pretty much dangerous. So I was waiting to do the rest of the car. However, I figured let me do it now because you really can't see at night with these headlights. But picked up a set of grills for the car too. So everything's gonna make it look dope. The headlights are just the beginning. The dual slot grills for the E90 pre-LCI, which means it has a little eyebrow on the top as well. Won't come out looking a little weird like some of the cars I've noticed look. Wheels, tires, suspension, and then I think this car's gonna be pretty much good. It's gonna be a ride. But other than that, yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in. Mike from Slow Speed, Ryan from Mustang Speed, and Slow Fast, I don't know. And yeah, we got it in.
Sweet.
Came out crazy. I have the replacement bulb for that too, so that's not a big deal. I have the bulb in the trunk.
We'll do it now.
Nah, man, it doesn't make any sense because I gotta take off the bumper to do it.
Oh, you do.
Yeah. Same thing for that fog light in the corner right there. It looks like the car was crying. And check this out, yo. We figured out this is plasti dipped. Crazy, man. Crazy. Yo, turtle wax kit for the win. I'll put the link and stuff down below. Yo, crazy, bro. They look like brand new headlights, bro.